Alright, so at the end of the last video I said as an exercise you can modify the enemy character to include a sprite sheet. So here's how I would do that. So I'm going to say create a new resource folder, and I'll say opossum. I'm gonna get the sprite sheet. And there we go. Okay. So now, right now we have this mesh instance 2D. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to add a child node, animated sprite 2D, sure. And we need our sprite frames. This is only going to have one animation. Well, I guess two. It'll have idle and it'll have moving. So we're going to say, and then running. So for idle, go up to opossum, and it'll just have 1 and 6. And we'll do, for idle, I guess we will only do, let's see, that one. Okay. And then for running, do this one, and we'll do all of them. Oops. Okay. Now we're going to add AnimationPlayer. And in our script, we will say player AnimationPlayer. And we already have our states, so this will actually be pretty easy. So our animated sprite, these are actually facing to the left. So in our script here, let's see, if state equals chasing, then we chase player. So let's see, if we're patrolling to the right, then we want to do AnimationPlayer.play. Oh, and we need to set these up. Run. We actually need to do this first. Animation, new idle. Add track. And animation. We're going to add the frame, and it's just the one frame. That's it, and this is just one. And then we need animation new run. Animated sprite, and we're going to do the animation. Say this is run. And then our frames. So we'll do, I'm going to say 0.1. Yep. And then here, 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And this is 0.6. Okay. So patrolling to right, we want to say, we also want to get in reference to our animated sprite. And I'm just going to call it animated sprite, leave off the 2D. Where were we? So animated sprite dot flip h equals true if we're moving to the right. If we're patrolling to the left, false. Let's see. Play idle. And then for chasing, we're going to say this. We're going to say velocity.x less than 0. False. True. Okay. Now, whoop, something broke. On a table. Uh, 27 animated sprite flip page. Oh, yeah, we have to actually assign it. Boom, there we go. Okay, so now enemy is moving around, and when it's paused, it stops. I'll actually make this bigger. If it chases us, okay, so we got to fix the return to base, basically. Let's see, chasing. Just put this in here. Why isn't he chasing me? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, then I think that is working. So that's how we can do that. And of course, this was only one sprite sheet for this opossum. We could find another one that had a full idle, and so then it would actually like animate during the idle. But it's the same general idea.